In this video, we're going to look at how you start and end your session. We have additional videos for you to learn about each of the sections in this app as well. Once you're logged in, this is the first screen you'll see when you open your app. You can begin by selecting the Myself button. If you are a certified Healing Remembered practitioner, you would also have access to a quick start feature and an option to work on others. Certification is required if you wish to use this app on friends, family, or clients. This screen allows you to enter your intention for this session. It will help guide your session and will also be included in the session notes. Let's make our session to sleep through the night. So we can enter that here and then go ahead and select return. This screen contains the sovereignty statement and prayer of protection that is important to state prior to working on yourself. Once you've completed this step, you can select continue at the bottom. This is the aspects of consciousness screen, and you can choose guide me through this step to learn more about this category. It's important to choose an aspect of consciousness to assist during your session so that your ego doesn't take over and hijack the session. Let's say we muscle test that angelic consciousness wants to assist. You can read the definition for this by selecting the eye icon on the right. We can close this and go ahead and choose angelic consciousness. Now we are at the Divine Path Score screen. You can read the instructions and learn about what this means by scrolling down. Let's say our Divine Path score is 75. We can enter that and choose OK. Now we will do the same for our light score. Again, you can read the instructions and learn about what this means by scrolling down. Let's say our light score is 85. We can enter that and choose OK. Now we are at the Choose Your Path to Healing screen, and you would muscle test to see which section to go to if you are going to do a session. This is also where we can access everything in the footer screen at the bottom. Whenever the back arrow, which is on the bottom left in the footer, is grayed out like it is here, it means you cannot go back, as that would affect the functionality of the app. The majority of the time you will see this back button is active, or you can swipe back as well. The next icon can be used to end this session. You can select this at any time that you're ready to end your session. If you select it by accident, just choose cancel. The icon in the middle is a summary of your session notes. This records your intention, which aspect of consciousness you have chosen to assist, and it will keep track of the energies you have addressed once you have cleared the first imbalance. It will also make note of any subsequent imbalances that you are working on but have not finished addressing yet because there are multiple underlying causes. This feature also keeps track of any associated information that you select, such as affected parts of the body, fail-safes, and so on. This additional information is addressed as we dive into each section of the app in this video series. The Enlighten icon is a great resource for additional information. Here you can access a muscle testing video series, which talks about what muscle testing is and how to do it, and you can also dive into the aspects of consciousness work for working on yourself. This also includes quick access to the wellness tools and the glossary, which includes all terms we have currently defined in the app in one spot. Now let's go back and look at how to end your session. Let's pretend we've done a session on ourselves and are ready to finish up. We can select End in the footer anytime we want, or if we're on this main Choose Your Path to Healing screen, we can also choose this End the Session button here. You will be asked to confirm that you wish to end this session. You can go ahead and select End Session. Here we enter our updated Divine Path score. For demonstration purposes, let's say our session has resulted in an updated score of 80. We can enter that and choose OK. Here we enter our updated light score. Let's say our session has resulted in an updated score of 95. We can enter that and choose OK. This screen contains a statement that is great to say at the end of your session to bring all of your energy back and fold in non-beneficial timelines. Once that's complete, you can choose Continue. Now we are at the session notes screen. If we had done a session where we cleared energies, we would see them listed here and have a shared notes button available above the Continue button. You would select that Share Notes button and choose how you wish to share your notes: to a Word document, an email, a text message, a WhatsApp chat. The share options are device specific rather than app specific. So if you don't see a way you'd prefer to share, you can change that on your device. Once that's done, you would choose the Continue button. Here we have some post-session suggestions that you can work through and the link to the wellness tools that you can review. And this marks the end of this video. I encourage you to watch the rest of the series as we look at each section of the app.